Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm testing another great bass amp sim by Nembrini Audio, the PSA1000 VST plugin. So first of all, let's take a closer look to the user interface, but always remember that you can jump around in the video by clicking on the timecode stamps in the description and the pinned comment below. The PSA1000 Analog Saturation Unique plugin is a modern recreation of a 90s classic analog guitar preamp, which is used in recording studios all around the world. It is used and debuted for recording and characterizing not only guitars but also electric pianos, organ synthesizers, electric basses and many other instruments. The original unit has found its place even in the mix stage for processing all type of sounds as drum rooms, percussion, vocals, kicks, snares and sound effects too. For creating the PSA1000 Analog Saturation Unit plugin, Nembrini Audio has carefully modeled the original analog circuits and finally refined it by ear as all its products. Nembrini Audio also adds new features that brings the PSA1000 to modern days: independent controls for left and right channels with individual and global links, dry wet mix knob for both channels, mid-side operations, spread circuit to widen the stereo field. Also, the PSA1000 JR version is included in this unit, which has the exact same distortion algorithm in a simplified interface that includes the dry wet knobs and phase reverse switch to fully take advantage of its potential. Alright, so for creating this video test, I used my Ibanez SR800 straight into my Focusrite Scarlett 282 straight into Reaper. Let's try some of the included presets.
Now let's try the full Bundle VST plugin. Now let's try some of the included presets of this bundle, too.
Alright folks, this is all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and be sure to click the bell button to be notified whenever I'm posting new videos and reviews. Also, if you're a metalhead like me, don't forget to check out my brand new instrumental solo album Musa. It's out now and it's available on all digital platforms. I'm sure you'll find some riffs and bass tracks that you like. Thanks for watching, see you the next time.